Okay, I wanted to show you how to log into the virtual machine, PrattAnywhere virtual machine server, so you can use the school computer's hardware power and the software from a remote location. Just open a web browser and go to the web page prc.pratt.edu, and the very first time that you do this, you have to go to the Horizon client download, click here, and then go to your appropriate operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Just go to the downloads, and then just download the software and install it on your computer. You only have to do this one time for the first time. I've already done this one, and after you download it and install that software, you can launch the native client. Click on this to start the connection. So here, choose, just use your one key, Pratt one key name, login, and then just the password to log in. And then it'll probably require you to do the double identification with the phone. And then here, now the server will ask you to log in. The second time that you do this, you'll have to include not only your login name, but the full email address. Okay, so just put in your password here. And this will connect you to all the servers. And then here, just double click on the PrattAnywhere lab, double click. And then that'll connect you to a login desktop so you can start working. So once this is loaded, it'll just look like a desktop of a computer. Okay, so this is a virtual desktop, and this is exactly the same as if you are logged on to a computer lab, any of the computers in the computer lab. So here, let's start off a software application. Here, and all the software that's installed in the school computer are usable, this way. Okay, so here I'm starting off Maya, and what's also an added convenience that you should do is you should mount your Google Drive account cloud folders onto this computer. So here, if you look at the files that are seen by this computer, you can see that the drives are the C system drive and the DVD drive and one of the networks. And what you should do is you should mount your Google Drive onto here so that it looks like, from this computer's point of view, it'll be a local drive. Okay, so here let's no, not the browser. Sorry, the here. So just start the Google Drive app, which is already installed on in the computer labs. Just start that app, and then here you just need to log in to that that app. Okay, so here just click on the Google Drive account that you want to use to connect, and let's see. So the Google Drive. Now, yeah, you don't need to sync all your files here to this computer because it's because it'll take time, and you don't, unless you need access to those folders. So just I will skip these steps here. Next, and open the drive, and now I should have a connection, right? So if you click on the Open Drive folder, it'll open a browser, file browser. Now, what this is this. If you look at the, if you look at this file explorer, if you look at this PC, you'll see this Google Drive G drive. That is what I'm seeing here, right? So that's the folder that it opened. And then if you go into the My Drive, these files are what is on the cloud, what is on the what is backed up on the on the cloud that you have backed up on your Google Drive. Okay, So if you want to work with these files here, let's see. Let's. This is the Maya software that's started off. So let's start a new session. And what you should do is you should set the project location to let's see, to a chosen project folder on there. So I have a lot of files here, as you can see. So if if I go to this here's work. So actually, I don't have any project folders in the student shared files. So let me go to another place here. So I just need to find a let's see. So I will go to the larger database where I have like pretty much everything for this. So yeah. So let me go to like one of these folders here. Yeah, I have a lot of I have a lot of Maya project database here. So let's say I want to work on this. Yeah, like this desk lamp Maya. So you can see that this is a Maya project database because it has all these Maya specific database folders. So I can click on the project name here, DIS desk lamp Maya, and then say set. And then if I open a scene, it will point to that location, right? So here, DIS desk lamp Maya / scenes. So I'm set up to be able to work on that particular project. Okay, so just open any of these files, then you can start working. And then when you save, let's say I create something, right? So like I have an object here, and I work on it, and oops. So let's say I make changes to this, and then that's my work, not so interesting, but let's say I want to save this, and then this is my work today, version, whatever. Okay, and then so if I save this, then what will happen is that this is automatically backed up. Let me minimize this. Let me show it to you. Let's see. If I go to the drive google.com. So if I go to my cloud folder, okay, so this is these are my files on my cloud folder, and then if I simply go to my files on there, let's see. Okay, so let me just go to that same location. Okay, week 3. And then if I go to the desktop lamp, DIS desktop lamp, right? So I think, was that the same location? I was at week 3, right? So yeah, make sure that you do go to the same location. Okay, so yeah, desk lamp Maya / scenes, right? So here, if you look at this file size, how do I this file size? Folders, name, date, type, modify. Okay. Oh, there you go. My work today. See, that's the file that I just saved from inside of Maya. Okay. So that you can. So I just wanted to show you that backup happens to the cloud automatically as you work, right? So you can just keep working on this, and then so there's another thing. So if I save it the second time around, save scene as, and then this time I'll save it as another name, version 2, and let's see, modify today. Well, let's see, it'll take a second, I guess. So I'm just refreshing. Okay, so here version 2 is saved. So you can, as you can see, you don't need to back this up manually, before you leave the lab. It occurs automatically because I mounted this Google Drive folder locally, just like this. Okay, so that's how I recommend that you do the work, because it saves a lot of trouble and a lot of, it's less error, and then it's more convenient. Okay, so I hope that helps you. And when you're done, you can just, well, actually, let's see, if I do exit full screen, you can see that this is just a floating window on this computer, okay? And what I'm looking at is my local computer, okay? So this login to the virtual machine is just a floating window. Oops, sorry. I guess it's PrattAnywhere Lab. I guess it's yeah. I guess it's this one here. Yeah, since I have this maximized, it's a little bit confusing. It's not just one app; it's the entire desktop. That's so. I guess I can minimize this one, and also the Maya window. Okay. So it takes a little bit of time to get used to this remote workflow, but at least this desktop is cleaner than mine, and it has this Pratt Institute label on it. So that way it kind of helps me. So it's yeah, that's how you work with the virtual machine PrattAnywhere server. Okay, use this, let it help you, and good luck. Okay, so.